So in your computer, if you type Alt 127757 after opening Microsoft Word, you can create a globe like this showing Europe and Africa. So for creating a globe showing Europe and Africa, you must open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that go to your computer keyboard and suppose the number key is off, you must turn the number lock, must enable the number lock, and after that you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 1277757. After typing that, you can simply release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that we have created this one of the CDLC. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.